In this video, we will learn about dictionary data type. What are dictionary data type? A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have keys and values. Let us start by creating a list and printing. I have created a dictionary here. Dictionary with key name and this Nike and value 103 2020 are the values to keys, model and year. If I try to print the dictionary, print dic, then if I execute this, you can see the output brand which is Nike, model is 107 and year 2020. Now, in order to access the items in the list, you just need to type, suppose if I take a variable x equals to name of the dictionary DACT, then key name, so I'll just type brand, so print x. When I execute this, I should be seeing Nike as an output. Suppose if you want to change the value of a specific item, then you can change by referring to its key name. Suppose if I want to change the brand, just type dictionary of that brand equals to Apple. So if I print the dictionary, see the brand has changed from Nike to Apple. You can loop through both keys and values using for loop. For example, for x comma y in dict dot items. This item method will help loop through dictionary. Now if you print x and y. Okay guys, this is all I have got here. For complete Python developer course from beginner to expert, check the link in the description below. Look into the course description and the content of the course. If you find the course add value to your career, then enroll for it. Remember, what you do today defines your future. Thank you.